And fears again continuing to spread over the coronavirus outbreak, and we are staying on top of the health concerns right now in Catawba County.
Well, there's a woman who traveled to Asia recently who's now very sick, but some good news tonight, perhaps not for her, but for other people. Channel 9's Dave Faraday spoke with her family. They traveled with her, and they're saying tonight, Dave, they don't believe that she has coronavirus.
Yes, Scott, that is what they are telling me tonight. They say that she was actually sick before she flew to China and then on to Laos, saying that she spent much of the month of January there with her family. Andy Vu says his parents were the ones who traveled to Southeast Asia with the woman who became sick days after returning to her home in Claremont. Neighbors say deputies refused to go inside her home while conducting a welfare check after learning she had traveled through China on her way to Laos. But Vu doesn't believe coronavirus is responsible for her illness.
Before they even went to their vacation for a whole month, she's already been aching back and forth. And my mom and my dad, they always like, go check up on a doctor about your body. And she said no.
It has been difficult for friends, even the woman's pastor, to learn about her condition. He says her family lives out of state. When he went to Catawba Valley Medical Center today, he was told she wasn't there.
We don't know what happened and what situation. Nobody ever reported anything to me. I went to the hospital to look for her, but nobody ever tell me anything.
The Catawba County Health Department says because of privacy issues, the state is not publicly disclosing the number of people being evaluated for the virus. Neighbors say EMTs wore protective clothing when they removed her from the home, but Catawba County explained that is done for any contagious or unknown disease.
I'm not too sure about the coronavirus, but so far when my mom and my dad came back with her, they're just normal. So yeah, so far nothing's happened. Yeah, they haven't had any problem yet.
And that couple has been back nearly 2 weeks now. Just about every hour we have been checking the Department of Health and Human Services website on coronavirus. I can tell you I've just looked at it, and there are no confirmed cases in the state of North Carolina right now. Scott, back to you.
Nothing confirmed, but a lot of concern. Dave, thank you. In fact, 3 counties in our area have said they are monitoring patients right now to see if they have the virus. Union County, which we just found out about today, also Rowan and Mecklenburg counties. Officials say none of the patients are showing any symptoms, but they are monitoring them for 14 days as a precaution. Coronavirus testing will soon be done in North Carolina. The state did receive some kits from the CDC last week, so we can do our own testing for the virus here instead of relying on the CDC for that. Also, lawmakers talking about the coronavirus today in Washington. Our Washington bureau was there as doctors and members of Congress talked about these types of medical emergencies that pop up every couple years, talking about how prepared we would be if something like coronavirus had an outbreak that started here instead of somewhere else.